So in this week's tutorial, I'm going to share quite a few tips. Let's see, there's one for how to cleanse your body and create collagen in the skin. There is one on shaving the face and the benefits. Gosh, I did a cleanse and how to cleanse. Let's see, what else have I done? I've done a all natural skincare, no makeup look. And so that's it for this week. And I'm kind of taking pictures of my skin and tracking how I see improvements in it. I'm almost 62, and I'm starting to think that maybe I look a little more fresh and rested without all those heavy layers of foundation. And then of course I'm studying all about what foundation and ingredients do to the skin. It's been something I've been very curious about for a long time, and I'm always on the fence about wearing it. So there is something to be said about showing our skin. Having healthy skin, whether you have fine lines or wrinkles, whatever the case is, there is something to be said for showing our real skin, and I'm kind of liking it. So anyways, I showed how to mix the retinol plus and our SPF 46. Because our SPF 46 has such a high concentration of zinc oxide, it can feel a little bit drying unless you have more moisture, oily skin. So I'm just applying just a few drops of a moisturizer with it, and then it gives me a really nice glow. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and I'll bring more tips next week, experimenting with my skin, like I love to do. And again, we are Jolie Day Spa, Jolie Visage Skincare, and we bring you tips and tricks from our skin clinic, Day Spa in Southern California, in Marietta, California, with over 48 years of combined experience with my business partner and myself. So I thank you for stopping on by, and I hope you enjoy these little tricks for this week and the experimentation I'm doing on my own skin. Okay, you guys, this one's really easy. Never underestimate massaging your body when you're putting product on. I'm really crazy about the Lubriderm. It intensely hydrates, and it has vitamin E and vitamin B5 with essential lipids. I'm seeing a really nice change in my skin with the Lubriderm. But just remember, really create a nice massage. Really creating some circulation in the skin. Now I'll go over this. I'm all out, of course, of the Absolute Crepey Skin Cream. I love that for certain areas, layering it on top of areas where I see crepiness. So I would layer our Absolute over the top here and under my arms where I see that little crepey area. It has sodium lactate, which is a moisture binder. But this Lubriderm is really wonderful, and it's just very effective with essential lipids. So don't forget your thighs, your legs. Really spend time, if you really want to see improvement in your skin, really spend time massaging the product in, almost to get that kind of flushed skin tone, pink, which shows will appear if you're putting enough pressure on your skin. Really create that circulation in your skin to create changes in your body. It's important to remember that if you want to create changes in your skin, your cleansing routine can be a game changer. So if you're not cleansing in the morning, I really advise you to do so. In the middle of the night, our skin is recovering. We've got layers of product on, and we really need to get that product off the skin. And also there's fluff and debris and things that just land on our skin in the middle of the night. We need a fresh start in the morning. So always cleanse in the morning. I love to make a ritual out of my cleansing. So I use a couple of pumps of our AHA BHA cleanser with jojoba beads. This is very gentle for every day, morning and night. It has calming ingredients in it. And I really want you to focus on getting blood circulation, pressing against the skin, always in an upward motion. Get some blood flow in the skin. You have to reapply with some water. Just really work your fingers. Remember, blood flow creates oxygen. Oxygen creates, really stimulates collagen. I can't emphasize enough the importance of massaging skin. And this is the perfect time to do that. So then I'm gonna work my décolleté, and I might have used a little bit too much. Just a little goes a long ways. Circular motion behind the ears and the shoulders and the décolleté. Really working that stimulation. Remember, use your fingers as a tool. Your fingers can do a lot. You can even see that I'm pressing the skin across the chest décolleté area because I really want to relax any lines that I've accumulated through the night by side sleeping. It's a hard one to break, but I'll tell you, those fingers and knuckles really can do the trick. So this is just a quick little tip for February on how beneficial your cleansing routine is for AM and PM. Now your skin is prepped, fresh, ready to go. A very, very gentle but calming exfoliating cleanser. Okay. There you go. So I'm adding this to my daily routine. Takes, I would say, 30 seconds. And I'm really just pushing those muscles, the fascia, and pushing it right back into place. Putting a little pressure, creating circulation. And remember, blood flow creates oxygen. Oxygen stimulates collagen. So you can see it takes very little pressure. Well, no, I am using pressure. It takes very little as far as your time and energy to create that change in the skin. So I'm adding this treatment and I'm doing this daily. I think I'm seeing changes. It's an old wives' tale that if you shave on your face, that the hairs are going to grow back stubble. I can't tell you the benefits of shaving. There's benefits to shaving the face and the neck. There's also benefits to shaving the legs. I do not love waxing. I think waxing traumatizes the hair follicle, and we find that bacteria can spread on the skin, and we see that acneic clients are more prone to breakouts when they go to the salon or spa for waxing. I will tell you, if you observe how a man shaves, I'm going to demonstrate that. You'll be amazed at the facial muscles that they're stimulating. So there's many benefits to shaving the face and the neck, and I'm going to tell you why. First, I'm going to apply some Superior C serum onto my skin, so I have a little bit of slip and glide. I'm going to apply it to my neck. Have you ever watched a man shave? I'm sure most of you have. Your father, your son, your husband. There is an instinctual way that they move their face. So when you're shaving, or if you're interested in this technique, exaggerate those motions, just exactly like your face would instinctually move. Hold the face, gently overlap, work across the lip, gently across the chin, and across the cheeks. Now, you might have noticed that I'm using the facial motions, which are really tightening the muscles. I'm also exacerbating those motions of shaving. Now, what you're also doing is we're removing the vellus hair. The vellus hair is that tiny, sweet little layer of very thin hair on the surface. So when we remove that vellus hair, we're allowing for better entrance into the hair follicle, which is where our products enter into the pore. So that's a benefit. And then I would say the third benefit is you're getting a really nice exfoliation. And I recommend, because of those reasons, to use a brand new razor and use those facial motions and exfoliate with a razor once a week. You'll be really surprised at how your makeup will look, how smooth your skin will appear if you wear makeup or if you don't, and how much your skin will improve. It's a very easy way to create changes. Try it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.